Hi, this is Nolan from Benchmark, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you how to edit a custom coordinate system. So what I've done is I've created a custom coordinate system and I've made a mistake in how it was laid out. So what I'm going to do is I'm on my main project menu within FieldGenius here, and I'm going to go into project number 5, the most recent one I was working on here, click the info button, and then edit my coordinate system list with the 3 lines on the right here. Within my coordinate system list menu here, I'm going to open up my custom coordinate system menu. You can see I have this test option. And if I hit the 3 dots on the right here, I get an option to edit or delete. As I said, I want to edit my coordinate system, so I'm going to click on edit here, and you can see I get all of the information on this test custom coordinate system. And what I want to do is change my equatorial radius from 137 to 138 meters. So I'm going to click on that and make this small edit. And once I've made this edit here, I'm going to click on save, and my custom coordinate system's been saved. So the last thing I'm going to do is just make sure I select it to make sure it is the current coordinate system. And once I have it selected here, I'm going to click on open project, and I'm ready to begin surveying again. And that is everything for today's video. That is how you edit a custom coordinate system. And if you have a moment, I would please ask you to hit that subscribe button down below. It really just helps out and helps me keep making these videos. And if you have any questions about anything you've seen in today's video or any questions about anything you've seen on our YouTube channel, please give us a call at 1-888-286-3204 or visit us on the web at bench-mark.ca.